Good morning, all. I welcome you for the lecture series in course production technology. We are seeing the various materials that is being welded using welding process. And today we are here to discuss about welding of aluminium. We all know aluminium is a lightweight and durable metal used in many industries. Welding aluminium presents unique challenges requiring specialized techniques and equipment. So normally the welding surface is very important to get welded. Since aluminium has a glossy surface, it pretends to reflect the light as well as the heat. So the challenge is to weld two aluminium metals with a glossy surface. The unique properties of aluminium are high thermal conductivity, low melting point, oxidation resistance, high strength to weight ratio. Let us see one by one. Aluminium dissipates heat quickly, making it difficult to maintain a stable weld pool. So the conductivity of aluminium is more. That's why we use this in electricity board, and copper is one of the another material which is used. So we have a low melting point. Aluminium's low melting point requires precise control of welding parameters and oxidation resistance. Aluminium readily forms an oxide layer which can interfere with weld formation. High strength to weight ratio. Aluminium offers a strong and lightweight material, making it ideal for various applications. So porosity is one of the challenges in aluminum welding. Trapped gases within the weld cause imperfections and weaken the joint. Distortion. Aluminum's high thermal expansion coefficient can cause warping and distortion during welding. Cracking. Rapid cooling can induce stress and leads to cracks in the welded area. Achieving proper weld penetration is a crucial for a strong and durable joint. So the aluminum welding can be done using these four techniques, which are highly efficient. One is gas metal arc welding, a widely used process that uses continuous wire electrode and shielding gas, and gas tungsten arc welding, a precise process that uses non-consumable tungsten electrode and shielding gas, resistance spot welding, and high pressure process that uses electric resistance to create localized weld, and laser welding, a high precision process that uses focused laser beam to melt and fuse the metal. So aluminium also requires, not only aluminium, all the materials requires surface preparation, removing contaminants and oxides to ensure proper weld adhesion. Joint design, appropriate joint design based on the application and desired strength. Ensure proper alignment and the gap between the components to be joined. Welding parameters and considerations, current and voltage. Adjusting the welding current and voltage based on the material thickness and welding technique. Wire feed speed, optimizing the wire feed speed to ensure consistent weld pool formation. Shielding gas, to appropriate selecting shielding gas to prevent oxidation and provide stability, and maintain consistent travel and to create continuous weld. So the quality assurance and inspection will ensure weld quality. Visual inspection, radiographic inspection, ultrasonic testing, tensile testing are the four major testing methods we use to find out the weld quality. Best practices and safety guidelines using proper protective equipment such as gloves, goggles, and a welding helmet. Adequate ventilation, ensure proper ventilation to remove fumes and gases generated during welding. Fire safety, keep a fire extinguisher nearby and have a plan in case of fire. I hope you understand how aluminium can be welded. Let us meet you in the next lecture series. Thank you all.